How to report a player in Clash Royale. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into Clash Royale and I'll be showing you how to report a disruptive behavior or report a player in the game. So without further ado, let's get started. So if you have encountered a player being rude or disruptive whether during a match or in a clan chat, you can easily report them through the battle homepage. So to do that, you simply have to copy the player ID. If you have played a match with them, you can simply go to their profile and copy their user ID, also known as the user tag. And after that, you need to simply open up the main menu, and from there you simply have to tap on settings. And from settings section, you simply have to scroll down and select help and support option to access Clash Royale Support Center. Now on this new page, simply click on Safe and Fair Play. And from there, you simply have to tap on Taking Actions. And under that, a list of options will appear. From that, you simply have to tap on Reporting Disruptive Behavior. Now read the provided information about reporting players. You can either chat with support or submit a report with the player name and ID to ensure the correct player is reviewed. And if the report is valid, Supercell will take the necessary action, which may include warning or bans. And that's it. That's how you can report a player in Clash Royale. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.